Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play against Oni. Your primary goal is to deny him his power. When injured, you drop blood orbs that fuel his blood fury. Healing quickly is crucial, as it removes your blood trail and stops orb generation. Try to avoid getting hit in the first place, but if you are, change direction often to make orb collection difficult for him. When Oni activates Blood Fury, you will hear a distinct, loud roar. Your immediate priority is to break line of sight and find a safe, strong loop. Do not try to heal or unhook during this time, as he can instantly down you. It is vital for survivors to spread out across the map, preventing him from easily chaining multiple hits. Maintain distance and use obstacles effectively. Strategic positioning is key to surviving against Oni. Favor tall loops and structures that obstruct his line of sight, making it harder for him to charge his dash. Avoid working on generators in open areas, as this leaves you exposed. Always be mindful of your surroundings and plan your escape route before he activates his power. Spreading out across the map is always a good idea. To effectively counter Oni, always pay close attention to his movement patterns and anticipate his actions. Remember, he moves at 115% speed normally, but his Blood Fury dash is much faster, reaching 9.2 meters per second. Maintaining distance is crucial, especially when he is collecting blood orbs or has his power ready. Stay calm and coordinate with your team for the best chance of survival.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.